Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Risen Legacy to create a fun rustic New Year's Eve mani. The first color here, it's called Santa Baby, and it is a beautiful rustic red. It also has a shimmer base to it, and then it has a pop of gold foils mixed in, which is super pretty. And then we have Sleigh Ride, which is a silver gray with a shimmer in there, and then it also has a pop of silver flakes in there, and it's super beautiful. And then it pairs perfectly with Reindeer Games. Reindeer Games is a beautiful brown bronze, and it also has that shimmer in there, and then it has those beautiful gold flakes mixed in, and it's super pretty. Now paired together with the three of these, it was totally giving me rustic vibes, and I thought these colors would be perfect for New Year's. We are going to be creating a set of press-ons today, and we are going to be doing the gel method. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I love the rustic colors, and then we have that pop of bling in there with those beautiful foils, which make it the perfect rustic New Year's Eve mani. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on nail sets at home, and I'll see you in the next upload.